Alright, 125. Unload it.
Nice. Woo! Very, very nice. Okay, so up, unload, gently start pushing forward on that stick. There you go, good. A little more push, maybe.
Got the prop blade right on the horizon.
Okay, good.
I'm upside down.
That's right, and there's an airplane flying underneath us, you see it?
Traffic in sight, that is awesome. Get your heart out, Denzel.
That's so funny. You'll see my head resting on almost resting on the thing. Okay, now let's roll upright. So we're going to go right rudder.
Right rudder?
And we're right aileron, right rudder. Woo!
Boom! That was awesome. 5.
Okay.
Now you're at 23.
Okay, good. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Okay, recover. Nice.
Alright, airspeed's dropping. RPM's good, back to 23.
Good. Right now.
You are 90.
Okay, are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, here we go. And recover.
Left and left.
Good.
Pull the power. Come out. Neutralize rudder and aileron. Pitch back. RPM's good, airspeed good. Coming back.
Very good. So what I did there is I simulated some wake turbulence. That's why I said it's going to happen fast.
Gotcha.
And it did, right?
Yep. Alright.
Keep your feet light.
140.
Okay, so now bring the pause right here at level. Now we're going to pull. A little more pull, and I'm at full power here. A little more pull. Now relax the stick, and now pull again. I'm going to bring the throttle back. Keep pulling all the way around until we're right there. Woo! Good! Now look at the G meter, 3 Gs, that's all that was.
Felt like 10. No, that was good.
Yeah, well...